Hello, English lovers. My name is Lucy. In this video, I am going to tell you about 9 best tips for learning English fast. Learn and follow all the tips if you want to improve English fast. Number 1. Immerse yourself in English every day. Immerse yourself in English by exposing yourself to the language regularly. Surround yourself with English content such as books, podcasts, movies, and TV shows. The more you hear, read, and engage with English, the more familiar it becomes. Immersion helps with subconscious language learning, making grammar and vocabulary easier to pick up. By hearing how native speakers interact, you'll also learn the correct pronunciation, sentence structure, and common phrases. Watching movies or listening to podcasts offers cultural insights, making learning more enjoyable and natural. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exposure daily. Number 2. Practice speaking as much as possible. Speaking practice is essential for fluency. Regularly practice speaking English with friends, classmates, or even language exchange partners online. Conversing with others improves not only your speaking skills, but also your listening abilities and confidence. Speaking daily also reinforces new words and grammar structures. Focus on expressing your thoughts naturally and don't worry too much about mistakes. The more you speak, the more fluid and automatic your communication will become. Find opportunities for conversation practice wherever possible. Number 3. Expand your vocabulary actively. To effectively communicate in English, you need a wide vocabulary. Start by learning words that are relevant to your everyday life and interests. Use tools like flashcards, vocabulary apps, or make a personal word list. Review new words often and try to use them in sentences as soon as possible. To retain words longer, learn them in context. For example, read articles, books, or watch videos on topics that interest you. This not only helps with understanding how words are used, but also enhances retention. Learning synonyms and antonyms can further solidify your vocabulary. Number 4. Focus on listening skills. Listening is one of the key skills in language learning, as it helps you understand how the language sounds and is used in different contexts. Make it a habit to listen to English audio materials, such as news, podcasts, or interviews, on various topics. Active listening will train your ears to recognize the rhythm, intonation, and natural flow of English speech. As you listen, try to focus on understanding the main idea first, then pick up on details. If you don't understand something, replay it or look up new vocabulary. Over time, this will improve your comprehension skills and help you respond more effectively in conversations. Number 5. Develop reading habits. Reading is essential for improving vocabulary, grammar, and comprehension. Start with materials that match your proficiency level, such as graded readers or short articles, and gradually challenge yourself with more complex texts. Consistent reading exposes you to different sentence structures and word usage. While reading, pay attention to new words or phrases and how they are used in context. Reading aloud is also a good practice to improve pronunciation and fluency. It's important to read a variety of materials, fiction, nonfiction, newspapers, and online articles, so you can encounter a wide range of topics and writing styles. Number 6. Use grammar as a tool, not a crutch. Grammar is crucial for building accurate and meaningful sentences, but it shouldn't hold you back from speaking or writing. Focus on understanding basic grammar rules and gradually learn more advanced ones as you progress. Practice using grammar in context by writing short essays or speaking in daily conversations. Don't become overly focused on being perfect in grammar, as this can limit your fluency. It's okay to make mistakes, as they provide learning opportunities. The more you use English naturally, the better your grammar will become over time. Use grammar apps or books for quick reference, but prioritize usage over memorization. Number 7. Write regularly to improve structure. Writing is a great way to consolidate your learning and improve sentence structure. Start by keeping a journal in English, where you can write about your daily activities, thoughts, or new things you've learned. Writing regularly allows you to practice organizing ideas, using new vocabulary, and applying grammar rules. As you write, focus on clarity and coherence. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Review your work afterward to spot areas of improvement. Over time, you'll notice a significant improvement in your ability to express ideas in written form. You can also write essays, emails, or stories to further challenge yourself. Number 8. Consistent and set goals. Consistency is key to mastering any language. Set specific goals for your English learning, such as improving your speaking skills, expanding your vocabulary, or passing a language proficiency test. Break these goals down into smaller, manageable tasks and create a study routine that fits your schedule. For example, dedicate certain days of the week to different skills: speaking, listening, reading, or writing. Keeping track of your progress motivates you to stay committed. It's also helpful to periodically assess your skills by taking quizzes, recording your voice, or having conversations with native speakers. Number 9. Stay patient and enjoy the process. Learning a language is a gradual process that requires patience and perseverance. Celebrate small victories along the way, whether it's mastering a new word, having a smooth conversation, or understanding a complex text. Accept that making mistakes is part of learning and view them as opportunities for improvement. By enjoying the learning process, you'll stay motivated and make steady progress. Engage with English in fun ways, such as watching movies, reading novels, or playing language games. The more enjoyable the experience, the more likely you are to stick with it and reach your goals. Each of these tips can help learners at any stage of their English learning journey, combining practical strategies with consistency and dedication. The key to mastering English is not just hard work, but also finding enjoyment in the process and being open to mistakes as a natural part of progress.